Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
Hey there, HR professionals. Are you looking for the video to how to log in to the Bob HR website? Just follow this complete tutorial video in order to get logged into the Bob HR website. You just need to open your Google Chrome and search for Bob HR login keyword. As you can see, there is a Bob's link toward the official website. Click on it. Here you can see there is a form where you have to fill your email address. Let me fill this email as tempuser@gmail.com and simply click on this continue button. Then you have to fill your password and then log into the website. If you have forgotten a password, click on this forgot your password option. Else you have trouble logging in again, then you can watch the tutorial video of the website also. You can also log in with the other option with Google and Microsoft, and make sure you use correct Google and Microsoft account. And that's it. It's the way to log into the Bob HR website. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.